In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a timer in DaVinci Resolve. First, go to the Edit page. This is where all your editing takes place. You'll see your timeline along the bottom and your media pool on the left. The Edit page is crucial because it houses all the tools you need for precise cutting, adding effects, and organizing your clips. Once you are on the Edit page, you are ready to start adding elements to your project. Make sure you are comfortable navigating this interface as it is essential for the steps that follow. Next, open the Effects library. You will find it in the top left corner of the Edit page. Clicking on this opens a panel filled with various effects, transitions, and titles. This library is important because it gives you access to all the creative tools you will use. Here you can explore categories like audio effects, video transitions, and titles. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Knowing where everything is will save you time later. Now go to Titles and then find Text Plus. Titles are fundamental when adding text elements, and Text Plus specifically allows for advanced text manipulation. You will see different title options in this section. Text Plus is versatile and can be customized extensively, making it perfect for creating a timer. Once you locate it, you are one step closer to adding a dynamic text feature to your project. From there, drag Text Plus onto your timeline. Click and hold on the Text Plus option, then drag it directly to the timeline where you want it to appear. Releasing it will place the Text Plus clip in your timeline. This action is significant because it establishes the text element that you will customize to display the timer. You'll notice that the clip appears on your timeline and it is ready for further adjustments. After that, select the Text Plus clip. Click on it directly in your timeline to make sure it is highlighted. This selection is crucial because it allows you to modify the text properties in the inspector panel. When you select a clip, you can see all its attributes, making it easier to customize exactly how you want it to look and behave. At this point, open the inspector located in the top right corner of your screen. The inspector is a powerful tool that gives you access to all the settings for your selected clip. You will see options for transforming the text, adjusting colors, and more. It's imperative to use the inspector for fine-tuning your Text Plus settings. This makes sure your changes are saved and accurately reflected in your project. In the text box, right-click inside the text area. This action opens a context menu with several options that you can choose from. Right-clicking is a straightforward but essential step to access the settings you need for your timer. This is where the magic of creating a timer really begins. Finally, select timecode. By clicking on timecode from the menu, you will replace the default text in the Text Plus box with the current timecode. This step is crucial because it transforms your text clip into a functional timer, displaying the current time in your project. You will see the live timecode appear, which means you are successfully on your way to adding a timer effect to your video. Now you have completed the process of creating a timer in DaVinci Resolve. With these steps, you can customize the appearance of the timecode to fit your project's style. Enjoy your editing experience.